So every year, the weather seems a little bit stranger. This is Red Rain. me.